So let's write now. So I was saying, so the terms which are common, let's write summation minus infinity to infinity minus 1 raised to n sine a pi whole divided by pi into minus alpha square plus n square, and here minus 2 alpha e raised to I nx. So now I can easily cancel out this 2 and this 2. So finally I got, so cos alpha x is equal to summation minus infinity to infinity minus 1 raised to n sine a pi, and here alpha e raised to I nx, and this gets divided by pi into minus alpha square plus n square. So as I got cos alpha x, which is nothing but, if you see it carefully, so I just write the term. See, if you see deduce what we wanted, in a deduce we wanted sine alpha pi by pi outside, and the rest term minus 1 raised to n alpha square minus n square e raised to I nx. How we will be getting, just check. So you can easily see there is a minus sign here. So now I take minus common from denominator and this minus gets cancelled. Now I can write directly what I wanted, that is sine, instead of writing, so this was nothing but alpha pi. So I say this is not a, that is just a alpha. So now I write here alpha and alpha pi. So now sine alpha pi divided by pi summation minus infinity to infinity minus 1 raised to n. This minus I take it outside, so remaining is only alpha whole divided by, this is when I take alpha minus common, alpha square minus n square into e raised to I nx. Similarly, when I add sine alpha x formula, so that is e raised to alpha x minus e raised to minus alpha x whole divided by 2i. So I get as 1 upon 2i. Again, when you see minus infinity to infinity, the common things I just write it minus 1 raised to n sine alpha pi. I'll be obviously getting sine alpha pi divided by pi into minus alpha square plus n square, and then I get here minus 2n into e raised to I nx. So now I can just cancel out this 2 and 2 again, and then I get finally as summation minus infinity to infinity minus 1 raised to n sine alpha pi. There is I here, don't forget, so that becomes pi I, and here minus alpha square plus n square minus n e raised to I nx. So this minus and this minus, again from denominator I take minus common, so which I get as finally sine alpha pi divided by pi I wanted, summation from minus infinity to infinity minus 1 raised to n into n whole divided by alpha square minus n square into e raised to I nx. So that is the very important sum. That's why it took too much time, but this sum is going to make our next sums very in a similar way. I'll be using the shortcuts, so please do this sum very well. Okay, thank you for watching video on in 5 minutes.